abusuya se obedu Ghana sesi na se ope festival ano adin a eno ani kwawu se Easter edu se dia na pese oji wani kwa dia na se won kwa kopie mu ewo kwawu dia na waye ho ankasa wotina ofie na se wo ye wadwen se wo de waji wani abusua oboa se won kwa kodumbo kwawu festival se dia na waye ho eho na obehu eto ato ana obehu anantu obehu asikafo manso be pie mu ho na nda de Dramani Mahama ekopie mu ho ono so ekotire na adwene ewo business flow ase na Afenyo Markins ono so ekopie mu hobby abusuya eho dankasa na yenkohwe de etwagu enyina maboaboa no te se bede na nda me de ba be som wo wankopie mu ewo kwawu ho na de waye ho ene de kwawu ho de Dramani Mahama ekasaye ewo program a omoye ho ase na yentie de ekoye a yeba kotie Afenyo Markins ono so de oka ho message so be subscribe amame seni etie abusuya yenkohwe emra
Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana. I wear Ghana, I drink Ghana, I eat Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana. Love your country, be your country, help your country, push your country, love your country, be your country, help your country. I say push your country. I wear Ghana, I drink Ghana, I eat Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana. I wear Ghana, I drink Ghana, I eat Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana. I wear Ghana, I drink Ghana, I eat Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana. I wear Ghana, I drink Ghana, I eat Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana. Love your country, be your country, help your country, push your country. I wear Ghana, I drink Ghana, I eat Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana. I wear Ghana, I drink Ghana, I eat Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana.
Oh, okay. What's your favorite? The president will soon be in the auditorium doing an inspection at the exhibition center, and he will soon be with us in the auditorium. His Excellency President Dramani Mahama has arrived, opening the exhibition center.
amen
After which Ghana exam? Yes, sir. Good. How are you doing? It's fine. You and your people. Well done. No, this is great. Ghana Enterprise. Oh, okay. How do you swim my doing? Go. Prudential. How are you? Well done. Yeah. Thank you.
Leave the stuff. Please, let's go. Thank you very much, President. How are you? Let's go. Move stadium. Let's go. Republic Bank. Hi, how are you? Good. How's your top management?
So, bro, maybe you go this soon. Hi, how are you? Good. Thank you. How are you?
And finally, they're coming.
Good. How are you?
We are here to teach
Okay.
some people how to get everything ready next month.
Let's go. Please come.
Let's go for Moshi.
Leave him.
Okay.
Venture capital. I'm still alive. I watch the resurrection. Yes.
Oh, my tears.
Oh, good.
We are the backbone of our parents.
Hero can start the resurrection. You get the small
You're acting for them.
Cause I'm from Ghana. I wear Ghana.
Alex, space one meeting about. Space one meeting.
Sorry. His Excellency, the entry in the auditorium. Let's all be on our feet. As His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is in the auditorium with us. Omampeni John Dramani Mahama. Wanyama Bifu. Mumia Monsem. Omampeni Enya Bifu. Okay. Yato National. Please, let's all move and sit down.
Ghana remains firmly committed to resetting the country's development agenda with a focus on creating an enabling environment that is responsive to.
I've had it too. I bought a bus for a relative to run transport business so that he can look after the family at home and stop disturbing me on my small parliamentary salary. And they gave it to a driver who was a relative. Good driver though. The first thing he did was he went and put a carrier on the bus. And anytime you saw the bus had more load on top of it than in the bus. And so what happened? The axle broke down. And it was the most regrettable experience in my life. When the axle broke down, they came to me to buy a new axle. So the reason for buying the bus had been defeated. Anytime the bus broke down, they would come to me to come and repair it. And it was costing me more to repair the bus than if I had just been murmuring the money to them. But you know what happened? This driver used to live in the family house. While he was driving the bus, he procured the land. He started to build a house. The house reached lintel level when the bus finally broke down. And by then I had had enough. So I refused to repair the bus and decided to dispose of it. And so I sold the bus. This was like several years, many years, more than 10 years ago. And since I sold the bus, where the building reached lintel level, it is still at lintel level even till today. And so
yes, John Dramani Mahama akasa ba otie ne nsem o Canada abusuafo de sa na omuti o otade ma omo a problem bi ebeba bia wa otade no wo na awose wo ye responsible na wo hwe wo ye bibia nti sa na tie eno de ontumi nkasa on tade ma abusuan yenkotie sene Afenyo Markins ono nso o ka ne nsem e wo this side
with a little bit of an experience in industry. As a young man, I started a transport business. My trading partners were KWAHUs. They supplied me spare parts and ties on credit. I went through difficult times with the banks, getting loans at high interest, and my workers letting me down. I recall a situation where at Giddis, Ghana, where I was transporting their drinks. At the end of the month, they would deduct all the losses I've made, and then my check was just too small to even pay my loan. And my tie suppliers and spare parts dealers would be on me. I have to pay them. But what happened? Drivers would go and park and play football. They would park and steal some of the drinks and sell. At Awasu, where I was running the bauxite business, drivers would park, they don't care. At a point I had to bring an expert from Canada to assist me. Though we had a transport manager, but the Obroni's face did a change for us, and I had to pay dollars. I remember my days at the weekend court because I had to pay SNIT and I was defaulting. And the workers did not really care. And they would even go and report you that you've not paid their SNIT. And they would use their union to do aluta. The businessman is really suffering. And I also recall when there was a change of government in 2008 and the new government came into office, I was running from Bupe, Aplao to Bupe. We pick gypsum from Tablibo in Togo, go to Aplao, drop some for diamond cement, and continue to Bupe. And then at each point, axle load, they would deliberately stop my trucks, and other trucks would be passing because they say that boy is an MPP boy. My partner had to rush to Vice President John Dramani Mahama, as he then was. And he had to intervene to call those boys to order. Because I told my partner to tell him that the diamond cement factory in Dupe, if they don't get the limestone, they won't produce the cement, and it will affect his area. Did we go or did we come? Indeed, I needed to give you this background so that those of you in private business will relate, so that we know where we are starting from and what is expected of us as a political class. Let me say it's an honor to join you for this second edition of the KWAHU Business Forum, an important platform that continues to inspire fresh thinking about Ghana's economic future, while reminding us that the future of our nation is deeply intertwined with the active participation of the private sector, particularly the strength of its indigenous businesses and the vision of its entrepreneurs. The theme for this year, the future of business, the role of the financial sector, is not only timely but foundational. No economy can thrive where access to finance remains elusive. Ghana's economic future will depend heavily on the strength, agility, and the resilience of its business community, and on the strategic role of the financial sector that it plays in supporting particularly our indigenous enterprises to scale up and succeed. When we empower local businesses with the capital and confidence they need to grow, we do more than boost productivity. We open up the pathways for job creation. And in a country where youth unemployment remains one of our most urgent national challenges, building a strong and inclusive financial ecosystem is not just an economic imperative, it is also a social one as well.